Remove all 9 screws. Now tilt the laptop and put your finger in between here. You can use a tool if you prefer, and then slowly just unclip it just like this, what I'm doing. And the back casing cover will come off eventually. Here is the RAM. It takes 2 DDR4 memory. This one is empty. Can you see? Right, so I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM. I will install this RAM here. So what you need to do, turn it the other way. We need to put it that way in. So this is how you do it. You slot it just like this. So make sure it's in. And then you push it down. So let me just recap. It's going to go like this. And you push it down. And then it will click into place. Simple as that. Here is your CMOS battery. So this is where to locate it. Very easy to remove. Just disconnect it from here. You pull it out. Right, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.